Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to block cookies in Firefox Focus on your mobile device. If you are concerned about privacy and want to prevent websites from tracking your activity, first, open the Firefox Focus browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the three dots menu. Then, tap on Settings from the list that appears. Then, click on Privacy and Security. After that, scroll down the Settings menu until you find the Block Cookies option. Next, tap on Block Cookies, and you will see different options to choose from. Then, select Yes to block all cookies and prevent websites from tracking your activity. Finally, your browser will now automatically block cookies while you browse, enhancing your privacy and making your online experience more secure. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.